Now see, there are some typical examples from past question papers of NEET. Okay, see the first question. See, all these questions are most important and most commonly asked questions. So you must know how to solve these questions. Okay, so the first question is the unit of thermal conductivity. See, thermal conductivity, Planck's constant, universal gravitation constant, and Stefan's constant. See, these four constants or these four quantities are very important. You must know the units, or at least you should know how to find the units or the dimensions of these quantities, because these quantities are most popular quantities for NEET exam. Okay. So first let us see the unit of thermal conductivity. See, to find the unit or the dimension of any quantity, you have to write a formula containing that quantity or that constant. Okay, now see, here we have to determine the unit of thermal conductivity, and this is a formula which contains thermal conductivity, and K is the thermal conductivity. Okay, and Q by T is the rate of flow of heat. Heat is a form of energy. So rate of flow of heat means energy transmission rate, or it is nothing but the power. So Q by T is power, it will be measured in watts. And K, we have to find the unit of K, let it be there. Okay, A, that is the area measured in meter square. dt represents temperature measured in Kelvin, and dx, that is the thickness again measured in meter. Okay, so this meter square and 1 meter from the denominator can be cancelled. Okay, this meter when taken to the left will become meter raised minus 1. When this Kelvin taken to the left will become Kelvin raised minus 1. So the unit of thermal conductivity will be watt meter raised minus 1 Kelvin raised minus 1. So this will be the answer. Okay, now see, we have another example. If force F, velocity V, and time T are taken as fundamental units, then the dimensions of mass. Force is mass into acceleration. So mass will be force by acceleration. And that acceleration we can write velocity by time in terms of dimensions. So mass is velocity, force by acceleration. Acceleration can be written as velocity by time. This T will go to the numerator. So Ft by V. Or we can write F raised to 1, T raised to 1, and V raised to minus 1. Okay. Now see, an equation is given by P plus A by V square equals B theta over V. Okay. Now we have to find the dimension of A. See, first thing, only similar quantities can be added and subtracted. A velocity can be added only with another velocity, and the result also will be a velocity. Force can be added or subtracted from with another force. So here see, P plus A by V square. So the quantity P and the quantity A by V square must be of the same dimensions. So dimensional formula for P the same as the dimensional formula for A by V square. Okay, when this V square is taken to the left, we can write dimensional formula for A must be same as the dimensional formula for PV square. Okay, see, pressure into volume. Pressure into volume is having the dimensions of work or energy. Pressure into volume. Here we have PV square, of which PV is work or energy, ml square T raised to minus 2. Okay, so we can write PV into V, means work done into volume. Work done is ml square T raised to minus 2, and volume is L cube. ml square T raised to minus 2 and the volume is L cube. So it must be ml raised to 5 T raised to minus 2. ml raised to 5 T raised to minus 2. Okay, so this is the answer. Now see, we have another example from errors. See, x raised to x is given as a square b raised to half divided by c raised to 1 by 3 d raised to 3. X means it is x raised to 1. Okay, and the percentage error in the measurement of A, B, C, D are 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Okay, see, it is very simple, very straight. Only thing you have to do is take the power of power 1 into percentage error in x equals 2 into percentage error in A plus half into percentage error in B plus 1 by 3 into percentage error in C plus 3 into percentage error in D. See whether this power is positive or negative when finding the maximum error. See, only the maximum error is significant. When you find the maximum error, you have to take all the powers as positive. Actually, a raised to 2, b raised to half divided by c raised to 1 by 3 means it is actually c raised to minus 1 by 3. When that c is taken to the numerator, it will be c raised to minus 1 by 3 and d raised to minus 3. Okay, power negative or positive, while finding the maximum error, you have to take all the powers as positive. Okay, so 2 into percentage error in A, half into percentage error in B, 1 by 3 into percentage error in C, and 3 into percentage error in D. Okay, A is 1%, percentage error in B is 2, and in C it is 3, and in D it is 4. Okay, substitute the values. Here it is 2, here it is 1, 2 plus 1 3, plus 1 4, plus 12, that is 16%. Okay, this is the maximum error in the measurement of X. Okay, next we have another beautiful example. A student measured the diameter of a small steel ball using a screw gauge of least count 0.001 centimeter. Main scale reading is 5 millimeter, means it is 0.5 centimeter. Okay, 5 millimeter, or this is equal to 0.5 centimeter. That is the main scale reading. And 0 of circular scale division coincides with the 25 divisions above the reference level. Okay, means the circular scale C reading, okay, it is 25, right? If the screw gauge has a zero error of minus 0.004 centimeter, the correct diameter of the ball is, okay, and diameter will be main scale reading plus circular scale reading into least count minus 0 error. Okay, here what is the main scale reading? It is 5 millimeter or 0.5 centimeter. Circular scale reading is 25 and the least count is given as 0.001 centimeter. See this one, 0.001 centimeter minus 0 error. Okay, 0 error is given as minus 0.004 centimeter. Okay, and what is actually meant by this 0 error? That I will explain now. Before that, you just see the answer. 0.5 plus 25 into 0.001 will be 0.025. Okay, so it will be 0.525 plus 0.004, it will be 0.529 centimeter. Okay, now let me explain this 0 error. Okay, see 0 error, 0 coincides with the minus 0.004 means we have started the measurement from minus minus 0.004 means, suppose the length of this marker is 3 units. Okay, if I keep the 0 of my scale at this end, then at this end the reading will be 3 and its length is 3 units. Okay, but if I see, if I start the measurement from 1, the other end will be at 4. Okay, so the 0 error is 1 and its length will be, see, where if I start the measurement from 1, the other end will be at 4 because it is of 3 units length. So its reading is 4 and 0 error is 1. I have started measurement from 1, final, the other end is at 4, so its length will be 3. If I start from minus 1, the other end will be at 2, means the reading is 2. 0 error is minus 1, means I have started from minus 1. So the length will be 2 minus minus 1. Okay, if I start from minus 2, the other, see, if I keep this end at minus 2, the other end will be at 1. So the reading will be 1 minus minus 2, 3 units. Okay, here we have started the measurement from minus 0.004. Reading we have got 0.525. As we have started from a point behind the 0. Okay, So that difference should be added here. So it will be 0.529 centimeter. Okay. See, here we will discuss all important questions from the chapter units and measurements. All the questions are from past question papers of NEET. You need to expect only the same or exactly similar questions. So from this chapter, you have to understand, you have to learn only these type of problems. Okay.